The Even Tone Antiperspirant Deodorant Restoring Powder helps restore your skin to its natural tone, while offering 48 hours of sweat and odor protection. Infused with vitamin B3, this antiperspirant deodorant stick helps improve the appearance of skin within just 3 weeks. The Even Tone Antiperspirant Deodorant contains our unique 1/4 moisturizers and leaves you with soft, smooth underarm skin. Antiperspirant deodorant stick with a powdery fragrance combined with a sophisticated floral accord. Deodorant for women that is cruelty-free certified by PETA. The Even Tone Antiperspirant stick leaves you confident to reveal underarms without a second thought. Top reviews from the United States. This stuff is amazing. I really like this deodorant. I have noticed a huge difference in my armpits and skin color. They are starting to even out. TMI, I've used organic deodorant and I got a big rash and made my armpits dark, which was so strange, but now using the Dove Even Tone I have noticed a huge difference in the color. I also use panoxyl, which my doctor recommended and said it would also help. Which I feel it have been both using Dove Even Tone deodorant and the soap. Plus it comes in a pack of 3. Like, that's amazing.